In this video, we will demonstrate how to migrate mail from HCL Domino to Office 365 using the BCC Mail Migration Engine. Here we can see our user Richard's mailbox, filled with all the usual mail you would expect to see, with attachments, images, etc. Looking at Richard's calendar, we can see he has appointments and reoccurring meetings. He also has a number of contacts with details and photos assigned to them. Before we run the migration job, let's check the configuration. The source mailbox is configured from the Input tab. Export type is EWS as we are migrating to Office 365. Specify the server the mail file resides on and the mailbox to migrate. There are also a number of other options to include or exclude documents via a formula, to include or exclude folders. You can migrate just a selected date range and exclude attachments, etc. The target mailbox is configured from the Export tab. Connection to Office 365 or an on-premise Exchange server is achieved via the EWS URL. You will also need the application impersonation user ID, which has access to the mailboxes, and the type of impersonation required. The mail address of the user or the domain of the users, if migrating more than one, is also put here. Let's check Richard's mailbox on Office 365. The mailbox is empty, as is the calendar and the contacts. Now we will run the migration job. The task sends a report back to the console for each 10% increment of the migration job that has been completed. If we switch to Richard's Outlook mailbox, you can now see that most of the mail has been migrated over. Checking the console, we can see that the migration has been completed. Let's check Richard's Outlook mailbox to see if the mails have been migrated. Switching to his calendar, we can see that the appointments have been created, including the reoccurring ones, and the contacts have been migrated with all the details and the contact photo. Another look at Richard's mailbox shows that threads, attachments and images are all displaying as expected. So there we go, mail migration from HCL Domino to Office 365 or on-premise Exchange without any drama, fast, reliable and secure. If you would like to know more, please check our website or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.